Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is the first week of December update. What's really going on? We have two more figures to paint. That will be 62B, and I'm going to be painting actual Ashley's Dante there that I printed a while ago. That's for this channel. I'm actually going to paint that as well. Then we're going to be doing a lot of D&D paintings. We'll probably put some 40K in there. I have more D&D miniatures than 40K, and we play a lot more D&D than 40K for it. I am also be starting to DM again starting next year in February. So I need to get as much stuff done and much creatures and miniatures and terrain pieces as well. You see a lot of shorts for it for this, and we'll get a lot of shorts. What I'm doing, everything else, and a lot of stuff that people are like finally commenting like I'm painting stuff too late. Well, I painted this shit when it first came out. It's just that the video is so far scheduled down the line that you won't see the painting video till like a couple months from now. I'm almost done with February, so a lot of the figures that you see on the shorts, you won't see that till like January and February, due to the fact that I'm trying to get a lot of stuff like done now and scheduled far in the future due to the fact that if I'm sick, because I do get sick a lot, I do lay down in bed due to my physical and mental health. So I need time to recuperate and try to fight the algorithm as well. But hopefully by the end of this month, I'll at least take a 2 week break. I will have enough shorts, hopefully, to have enough scheduling for that because I also scheduled the shorts as well so that I could take at least 2 weeks break so my body can recuperate and my whole body was been on overdrive since November due to the fact that I had printed the figures of Dragon Balls and what my family wanted and painting it. Then I gotta ship it to California. Then I have my own family I gotta buy and wrap and we are cleaning up. We're gonna have a lot of people coming over the house for the Christmas week and I'll be there on a chair, try to get some snooze. But it's just one of those things when you get older. When you get older, you have a lot more responsibility, especially during the holidays, just to keep up with everything as well. I'm gonna have a box of these failed prints due to the fact that I am not gonna be working on them for a while. I know that I'm saying I would be putting them into terrains. I have priorities right now. I'm starting to DM, so I gotta print some old school AD&D orcs. I gotta print different types of orcs. We have the gray orcs, the new modern orcs, the green skin ones. I'm gonna put that in my store. I'm gonna go with the Greyhawk and the Forgotten Realm lore together a bit. How the orcs came to be, because orc is not a native place in Greyhawk and in Forgotten Realm. They were actually Wizard created a portal and then the orcs went through the portals and that's how orcs were like established into the realm. That's what Blizzard also took from back in AD&D lore. So so you got the Outlands and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be doing that. So we're gonna have the original orcs were the pig like fur orcs. Then they changed it, adding an advanced AD&D, second edition AD&D, to the gray orcs. Then they actually spread off to the more vicious and not as bright, the green skin orcs because they do mutate when they do, and orcs are very good at adapting to their environment. So we'll be getting that into that lore. I'm doing the Spelljammer and the Sigil. So I want them to like go world hopping. I want them to go see different places. I want to make Dead Space World or for a camera 40K stuff like that. You can see them. They see this freaking Imperials. They look at them like heretics and fucking try not to get murdered at the same time. I'll probably do the Age of Sigmar one. So because I don't think they can actually get away from a bolt pistol. I can see them die in one hit with that freaking bolt pistol and stuff like that. There's a lot. I want to do like Xenomorphs, Predators, because I have a lot of those miniatures as well. Now I can 3D print. Uh, I do. I'm gonna try and make this like a Kingdom Hearts style, but they're gonna have their own Spelljammer ship, a very cheap one. It's gonna crash down into a planet of orcs. They're gonna have to repair it, figure out the lore where they're at right now, and then they can start. After all that, this will take like a couple months just to do all of this and get their ship fixed. Then they can start going like world hopping and stuff like that and try to get back home or their destination and so forth. If they have a lore in the background that correlates with, I can implement into story, that would be great too. I do want to put like there's a planet just by wizard and like a Harry Potter one. I have the D&D book for it and have them go through that as well. So there is going to be a lot, and I know I'm flinging around Perfect Cell's wing, my new pointing finger. But yeah, so that's my plan. It's just that I gotta start building very soon, and the 2 week break of me not making videos, but I will have videos saved up, and then after 2 weeks is over, then I'll start editing, because I paint and edit at the same day, and it just takes too much time, just too much time. And Ashley's been very mad with me that I spend more time on this than with her, and I'm like, but it's my hobby. She did not like that at all. So yeah, so we gotta get that done. I am right now cleaning out the old office, putting the bookshelves in there, and putting all the miniatures in there as well. You see a couple shorts of that, and yeah, that's pretty much what I got so far. I know this is the last year. I hope everyone have a great upcoming Christmas and New Year's. If there's, I might do a uh, questions and answers next week. If you have any questions for me, please leave it down in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them as best as possible. Well, anyhow, thank you guys very much. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down at the bottom. If you guys do want to talk to me, Discord is the way. I have my Discord almost open 24/7, so I actually will see you in the morning and night. Well, anyhow, hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.